In this video, I'll show you guys how you can delete shipping calculated at checkout on your Shopify store. So step number one is to sign in to your Shopify account, and then next up, click on online store right there. Now this will send you over to this page where you find your current theme, and that's exactly what you need. So go to your current theme and then click on actions and then click on edit languages right there. Now you'll then show up right here. So click on cart right there. If you then scroll down, you should be able to find taxes included and shipping. You'll find taxes included but shipping, and then right there taxes and shipping at checkout. Right there, you can then get rid of that, just like that. Click right there, hit save, and there you go. So that's how you can get rid of this. This should actually fix it. So if this quick video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. And then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.